how to fix Binance login error on desktop. If you wish to fix your Binance login error on desktop, it is fairly simple for us to do so. You could open your browser and go to binance.com, and this is the interface you will see. If you've been repeatedly trying to log into your account but you are failing to do so, even after enter your email or phone number and then your password, then there could be a couple of reasons behind this. The first thing is you can try to clear the cache files of your browser. So whether you're using Chrome or Safari, whichever browser you're using, click the three dots icon from the top right hand side and go to the option called settings. Once you're here under settings, on the left hand side, go to privacy and security and go to delete browsing data. And once you're here under delete browsing data, select cache images and files, and then just click the delete data button and you should be able to delete your account. And once you've done that, that would most likely help you solve the problem. It could also be that sometimes Binance might not be available in your region, so you can try to use a VPN or a proxy server. Like in my case, I've set up a proxy connection using Warp. Then this application is actually quite good. It will give me access to my account. If I turn this off and refresh Binance, you can say it will not work. But if I just use this Warp Cloudflare application available for both Windows, Mac or Android or iOS, then you should be able to log into your account just fine. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.